Later we put that there. Oh. It close. Leaves gone.
I know. That's what I said. Positive.
We just do the small thing. No? We just use that chicken coop thing. So said he don't have scissor. Ha? Hindi dato tayo. Positive.
No, positive on this one too. Look.
Ay, oo. This, oh. Right ba?
That and this. Look. Right there. See that? Yep, that right there.
We need to put na.
Positive.
But that, no. The one have
And right here.
orange.
No, nothing's on these. These are good.
You just pick up.
Yeah, we need to.
Oh, that to no
I didn't even see that one.
positive
No
that
leaves whatsoever. These are dying.
that.
That's dying.
Tatay,
These 4 right there are dying.
Tatay said it will survive daw.
You think it'll survive? Tatay said it's going to survive?
Yes. At
Okay,
his
I'm
car.
going to try to find something to cut. If not, I'm going to head back to the house and grab something. We need to get these wrapped.
Yes. The reason why we put this, the pole, and the tie so that the deer will not mess up our trees, but it's positive. Ayan tayo. Nawala yung mga dahon.
Ganyan damit na nakadipa.
Nakadipa. This, oh. And eto tayo, inano niya.
May bunga
Eto, oh. Eto ba yung may buo? Apple to, eh. Tsaka eto. Eto ba yun? Ay, yung isa. Eto hindi niya inano. Green apple. Pero may bunga na to, oh.
Napunta pala paggabi yun?
Kaya nga, tay. Yung dalawang doon dati, inano niya din, eh. Peach tsaka apple. Ito apple, oh. Meron na siya. 4. Sayang, oh. Ito tayo. Yan yung kaskas ng nila. Horn. Pag naano yan lahat, mamamatay ito. Ito mas malala. Ito tayo. Di ba wala ito, eh? Nung nakaraan nung tinanim.
Oo. Kinawalan dahon, eh.
Naamoy siguro.
Hindi sila mga doon sa metali, eh.
Ito safe. Ito yung nilagay namin nung nakaraang araw. Hindi naman, no, yung may tali.
Hindi.
Ito, red apple.
Damit nila may nakadipa, gano'n, no?
Kaya, ito, mahal kasi to, kaya hindi na yung, ang nagamit lang namin, nalagyan namin 3, 2. Mahal. Ito, ang dami niyang flowers. Ito parang na ano. O nag-a-adjust pa to. Peach yata to eh. Nag-a-adjust pa.
Bubuhay yan.
Ito malapit eh.
Hindi naman ano yan.
Dapat pala ano. Dagdagan na lang dito. Malapit to eh. Ito peach tree din. Peach tree. Peach tree. May mga bunga na rin to eh. Ayan no. May mga maliliit na. Eto, may bunga na. Ay, oo, good. I have ticket at my legs. Huh? He's eating ano at the
hammock.
Oh, with snacks. How about this? This is good. More ano, no? More peach.
Looks good. I'm hoping it's going to be good.
This is Calvin. Later we put that there. Oh.
Where?
It close.
We put what? Where?
What, be?
What do I do?
We just walking here.
Can I go inside the car? Hard part?
What?
Aray, is it the hard ano?
Hard part?
I'm not going to disagree with him. He's older than me.
Mice, that is fun.
There's a lot of stuff over.
That is fun, be. Uy. So quiet here, no?
I know.
Just as noisy.
It was quiet.
Calvin have snacks. You hear the chicken?
Ah, that's quiet. The donkeys, we can hear.
That was a rooster.
The rooster's
Go.
Although this one we shouldn't even do.
Huh?
Or that one. Those two are dead.
Ala. Tatay said
Wait,
it will
a deer can literally
survive.
do this.
No, it can't.
They scared when have orange now.
Wait, orange? They're so scared of?
Ty, right? Scarecrow? Yeah. Scarecrow, Mom.
You wait, mommy here, be.
Mouse, come back.
Mice, wait. Watch your step, baby. Come here. Nice, here.
Now you can do
Here.
go, Mom. Now you can go down.
Watch your step. Here, here, here. That is deep mice. Come here.
Nope. Go over it.
Where you go? Here. Here.
We can go over it.
Be careful if you...
Go down.
Not so far away.
Miles?
We just back there. It's itch. Come
Come
on.
on, Miles. Let's
Go
go
there.
back.
For sure. Not even the United States.
Malaysia is third.
Malaysia's third.
Number 1, India.
India, I'm telling you, India, if you can get into that one. I mean, obviously you want the United States because they...
Okay. Bye. Okay, restart it. Okay, well, dang it. Okay, restart it again. We are going out from the farm. See you guys. Bye.
Si Calvin.